What's up guys? My name is Rachel and today I'm going to be giving you an honest review of a program called the Instant Course Kit by Xander Sharp, and more importantly, whether it is actually worth your hard-earned money or if maybe there's a better opportunity online right now. So for context, I've taken a lot of courses online over the years just trying to figure out different ways to make money online. So my goal with these videos is to help you make a smarter decision when it comes to courses before you spend your money. So the Instant Course Kit is focused around creating and selling online courses and monetizing knowledge through digital education products. The overall idea is teaching people how to build online courses, package information into digital products, market educational content, grow audiences, and generate income through online learning platforms. And to be fair, online education absolutely can work. There are definitely creators and entrepreneurs building successful businesses around courses and digital products. You would also be learning really useful skills around content organization, communication, marketing, branding, and audience engagement. But personally, I think one of the biggest things that people should realistically consider is just how competitive the online course space has become. A lot of people are trying to launch courses, build audiences, grow communities, and just compete for attention online. Which means standing out consistently has become much harder. Many education-based businesses also rely really heavily on things like personal branding, constant content creation, audience trust, and just ongoing engagement. And honestly, this is what started shifting my focus towards AI systems for business owners. Because instead of constantly competing for audience attention and course sales, I became much more interested in helping businesses improve operational systems they already understand the value of and that they need help with right now. And that's what makes AI systems for businesses stand out so much to me right now. Companies everywhere are actively looking for AI customer support, automated lead follow-up, review generation systems, booking systems, websites that are going to convert better, and just automations that are going to save time and increase revenue. And because the AI market is still incredibly early, I genuinely think that people that get involved right now have a massive advantage because businesses are still trying to catch up. Now, the biggest thing that I personally like about this model is that you would be building around operational business needs instead of relying entirely on audience growth and online visibility. And because companies will continue paying for monthly systems that are going to improve efficiency and customer experience, you can build recurring monthly income around services that businesses genuinely rely on long term. So if you want to learn more about this business model in particular, compare the pros and cons for yourself, and just see how other people are building this recurring monthly income with AI systems, I put a link in the description box below that'll take you to a landing page with all of this information and more so that you can make the best decision for yourself. Do you want to be selling courses? Something that a lot of people do. I know you've seen it on social media. Or do you want to be doing something where there is a massive gap in the market and not a lot of people are doing it yet? People will catch on to this. I promise you. It always happens. So it's for you to decide. It's for you to figure out which of these is going to better fit your lifestyle and where you want to be in the next 3, 5, 10 years. So with that, I wish you the best of luck. The link is in the description box to give you more info. Leave any comments below if you've got questions. Other than that, I wish you the best of luck on your money-making journey, and I will see you in the next video.